Welcome to our whirlwind tour through the fascinating world of biochemistry and molecular biology. Today we're going to explore how tiny molecules and complex proteins work together to keep life ticking. Let's start with the electrifying world of electron transfer. Think of electrons as tiny messengers floating around, passing signals from one molecule to another. This process is at the heart of substrate oxidation. Imagine a busy factory where molecules are getting their energy boost by losing electrons, much like a car battery charging up. And when it comes to storing ions, think of it as nature's rechargeable batteries. These ions are stored in specialized compartments, ready to be unleashed when needed. Oxygen transport is a real-life rescue mission. Hemoglobin, the classic oxygen carrier in your blood, binds oxygen like a boss and delivers it to your tissues. Hemocyanin, another oxygen transporter, uses copper instead of iron, a metal switch-up. Speaking of metals, hemiproteins are the star players. Their hemigroups contain a porphyrin ring, a fancy name for a ring-shaped molecule that holds metal ions and helps with oxygen bonding and other reactions, like hydroxylation and phosphate hydrolysis. These reactions are crucial for the processes like detoxification and energy production. But it's not just about metals and oxygen. Molecular oxygen itself is a vital molecule, not just for breathing but also as a reactant in many enzymatic reactions. Enzymes like endonuclease 3 perform DNA editing, and many of these enzymes are metalloenzymes, enzymes that allow metal ions to do their magic. In the realm of biophysics, scientists use techniques like post-electron paramagnetic resonance to peek into the spin states of electrons. Imagine tiny tops spinning in a perfect harmony, or sometimes in a bit of a spin. These spin states can be entangled, meaning the tiniest changes in one spin instantly influence another. Speaking of molecules, chromophores are the molecule responsible for color. They absorb light and can be used in chemical sensing. Think of them as the molecular equivalent of mood rings, changing color based on their environment. This ability is key in processes like circadian regulation, the biological clock controlling our sleep-wake cycles, and RNA processing where our cells fine-tune genetic messages. Now let's talk about how cells regulate their activities. Transcriptional regulation is like the cell's version of a dimmer switch, turning genes on or off as needed. G-protein coupled receptors or GPCRs, or the cell's antenna, detecting signals like hormones or neurotransmitters. Finally, all these processes, electron transfer, oxygen transport, enzyme reactions, receptor signaling, are interconnected threads in the tapestry of life. From the molecular oxygen involved in photosynthesis to the psychoactive substances that influence our mind, everything is linked to the delicate dance of molecules and signals. After all, biology is the ultimate science show, complex, dynamic, and surprisingly fun.